up, guys? It's your girl DeriAonaaa, and I'm back with another synthetic not review, but an install tutorial on how I install my synthetic wigs. This wig, I think it was sent to me by Bobby Boss, cause I got a delivery coming by us. I'm like, what is coming in by us? And it was this wig, and I'm assuming it's by Bobby Boss, cause they want me to try this wig out in this color, but they never emailed me or anything or text me that it was coming. So, but this is Bobby Boss glueless lace wig. It's a 13x4 deep lace, and this is paisley and TT rosemary. So this is the wig card. And yeah, and it's like the strawberry burgundy, real cute color. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Now it be hit or miss sometimes with my wig install. That's why I don't really like posting how I like tutorial yet, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do, how I do it. All right, y'all, so the next thing I do before I actually put the wig on, I tint the lace. So sometimes I use tint spray. This is not the one I usually use. I usually use the ebony one, but they didn't have it when I had bought it, so I got this one. I ain't gonna lie, I think this shit is too dark. I don't know, I think this shit dark, but I'm gonna use it because I ain't waste $7 for nothing. You feel me? I'm gonna put this shit to work. So it's not that hard. You just spray it. Try to be gentle, don't do too much, because that will bleed through. Powder fucking light. All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the ball cap method or whatever, like cut behind the ears or whatever when I do my ball cap method. All right, and you want it to be tight and snug. All right, so that's how you do it. And yeah, cut from the back, babe. Cut from the back, only the back, babe. Now that it's like fully dry, whatever, I like to be extra because I know the side tabs, they like to lift sometimes after you cut from the back. So I'm gonna go in with this. I just recently started using this. I thought it was gonna focus, but it's the olive oil wig grip gel. I've been using this for my wig edges, and I like it so far because yeah. But I'm gonna put this on my sideburns to give it that extra hold, just to make sure that it don't move at all. All right, y'all, now I'm done doing the cap, getting it even as I can or whatever. I'm gonna go in with some powder or whatever, foundation, and with a brush and just blend it into my skin tone. We're gonna use a popsicle stick to spread the glue and stuff.
Turn me up, Pete. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push your feet. Come for my beat. You don't want no peace. Got started, cost back. Please. Drop the dot and now we clap. You got a piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push your feet. Push your feet. A capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, my banana pea. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she pee. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Pushing P, pushing P, pushing P.
I'm just holding it down. when I do that, I like to get a rag to get my alcohol, because sometimes when you spray, well, for me, I don't know if I be putting too much on, but like I like to go in after I put the spray on to help melt it down, hold it down some more. I go in and put that on the hair itself, because it's gonna cake up when I put the melt band or scarf or whatever on it, so I don't have no white access. So I just go in with that. I'm gonna use the scarf. I get these from Dollar Tree. I use the black one. This is my first time using the tan one. I'm just gonna use this to tie it around, make sure that it's stuck and it ain't gonna move. You feel me? Alright, so after I do this, I let this sit on my hair for like probably 5 minutes, and then I go in and I go cut the lace or whatever. Then after that, we're gonna do the edges, the fun part. Alright, y'all, I'm done. I did not leave down my hair for no damn 5 minutes, more like 2 minutes. This is a realistic one. I just put makeup now on it after cutting the lace. Alright, so far this how the wig is looking. It looks really cute. I kind of messed up on the side, but it's furry, it's cute. I'm gonna do some edges. I'm not gonna look at no pictures this time. I'm just gonna wing it and do what I think is cute. Alright, y'all. I parted my hair or whatever. Well, my edges. How I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just do 6 edges and then yeah, straight like that. Alright, now I'm gonna cut my edges or whatever. I like to start angle, so it's shorter and it's be longer.
Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking at the time, but I did not record no outro. So after that, I'm just going in, touching up my hair, brushing my hair up, spraying it, and I'm about to go in hot combing and stuff because I like the 2 humps. I like with my hair sitting up in the front or whatever, like where it's kind of sitting in my face. And then after that, I'm finna go in and blow dry my hair so I can sit up and stuff. I do this in all my installs. I do the same process because I like the way it sit up. And after this is literally how my hair turned out. It came out really cute and stuff like that. I really like it. But I'm really upset I ain't make no outro. But y'all see it though. Y'all see the vision. It came cute. I slayed that, ate that, and I hope you enjoyed the video.